The video today is going to discuss and show the encryption portal process. The end user sending an email, what might be required of them, then also the recipient, and what they'll see in their process for logging in. Now, you've already predefined specific content rules or filters within the administrative console to identify which emails need to be sent securely. You've also configured a secure TLS encrypted connection from your server out to the Postini system. An end user will send an email, either adding in a predefined rule or we'll identify the specific content triggers that you identified. We'll then send a secure email notification to the recipient. We'll also send that email along with its attachment, if it has one, to a secure portal. The recipient will then click on the hyperlink from within the email, where they'll be requested to create a password to log into that secure portal, where they can read that email, they can reply back to you from a secure method, even download that email securely from the portal. Now let's go ahead and show from an end user perspective what will be required of them, and then also what your recipients will see on their side. Okay, so your end user will go ahead and log in and send a normal email like they've probably done before, and go ahead and decide who they're going to send that email to. Then, depending on the rules that you've identified within the administrative console, maybe you're going to require your end users to put in a keyword or phrase in the subject line of the email, or possibly you have other triggers to identify specific content, keywords or social security numbers based on the lexicons or some regular expressions. They'll then just go ahead and send that email on, and then the recipient within their email client will receive that email, which will prompt them to follow that hyperlink to log in. So let's go ahead and send it, then we'll show you what happens from an end user's, the recipient's point of view. So this is the email that the recipient will receive. It'll show them they received a secure message encrypted from your email address at your organization. Of course, this message can be customized for this content here. It also shows them the expiration of that email from the portal. I can see the expiration time is a default at 14 days. Notice also here they can go ahead and click this link to log into the secure portal. Then again, the browser that's at the bottom, they can go ahead and copy and paste. As a matter of fact, the email address is also configured within that hyperlink, so they go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and click in here so we can go ahead and get into that portal process. We can see now that we've clicked on that hyperlink. It takes us to that portal where we're going to create that password. You can see here the email address has already been predefined within this email. So I'll go ahead and create a password based on the rules that have been identified for my system, and also a reminder phrase that I might want to set this up for a reminder of this. Now I'll go ahead and submit this password. Now, once I've logged into the portal, I can go ahead and read this email if I need to. If there were any attachments, I can see that. I can also download that attachment or that message local via an SSL connection. So even the download of this email is secure. Now, once they've logged into this portal, they can, of course, see any emails that are in the inbox that have been delivered to them that haven't already been expired from the system. Now, if they reply back to you from this portal, of course, it is secure in the portal. It'll go through our systems, and then your inbound traffic is already secure from our server to you. So that's also protected. Now, the responses, the replies of these emails will actually be delivered directly into your inbox as a regular email. The recipients can also go ahead and attach any type of a file if they need to, maybe a secure document or other confidential information for this. So the process for sending and receiving an encrypted message is actually very straightforward. The rules have already been predefined from the administrative point of view. The end users, it can be very agnostic from their point of view as far as not having to require to put anything in the email. You identify the content within that. Recipient logs in, maintains their own passwords, and configures all of that. For additional information, please feel free to contact your account executive or go to the following link here off of Google's website /Postini Encryption for additional information. Thank you very much.